Welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. And today it's what? Keto Thursday. And I have a great keto recipe for you. I'm going to attempt to show you the finished product. I don't know if you can see that. These are what's called fat bombs, okay? They're made up of a lot of fat ingredients like butter, coconut oil, and you can see it right here. About like this. You can see it right there. It's a fat bomb. They've been frozen overnight. I made them last night. I put pecans in them for a little crunch. And that's pretty good. And let's talk about the carbs. When you make them as is, it's 0 net carbs. Because 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So I literally made 26. And total carbs on the cocoa is 3 carbs. So that's 3 divided by 26. These are things that I added. The recipe by itself is 0 net carbs. And the pecans have 4 carbs for like a 1/4 cup, and I think I put like a 1/2 cup. So that's 8 carbs and 1 carb of sugar. So the pecans have 8 carbs divided by 26. So that's like 0 net carbs, okay? The key is I added, because when you put the cream cheese in, well, let's just say this. I added condensed milk. And the condensed milk is about 20 carbs for a 1/4 cup. These are good. If you got that sugar craving. 20 carbs for a 1/4 cup. You'll see the recipe in a second. So again, if you divide that by 26, it's less than 1 carb. And even though I added Truvia, probably with the condensed milk, you don't even need any additional type of sweetener. I did add a little bit of salt. The recipe didn't call for that. And the cream cheese is salty in and of itself. So I'm glad. I'm glad that I ended up adding the condensed milk. I added the condensed milk to make the texture thick, so that when they froze, they would, be a little bit solid. They're good, especially the ones, they got the pecans in them. You'll see a picture of it at the end of the video. So that's my keto journey for today, y'all. Fat bombs, chocolate, cocoa, fat bombs. Delicious. When I say delicious, they are really good to have no carbs. One carb. Okay? They're really, really good. Like, they're so good, I feel guilty saying no carbs. And the pecan, yes, you need that crunch. I need that crunch. You have to keep them in the freezer. So I'm going to take them out of here because they're not that solid. So as soon as I took them out, you know, they start softening up a little bit. So I'm going to put them back in the freezer. I'm going to put them in the freezer again. See? And then I'm going to take them out and put them in a container and put them back in the freezer. I could leave them like this, but check out the video. Check out the video, y'all.